I will explain. This is about a job control. Before we go to job control, once again we'll go to the process management. Then I will explain about a job controlling. Morning already we discussed, but we'll show you once the process management. So I am in a student. Maybe may not be. We can manage from here. So what I'm going to do is all are white screen confusion. So I will log in one terminal. So load, open. See, this is directly white color. Why? Because of already I made a settings and I saved it instead of daily typing IP address again and again. But make sure IP address you should maintain same. Means if you change the network, IP address may changes. Be careful with that one. Guys, look at here. It is a root. Okay, just keep root like that. PS -EO user. Okay, few NIC also I didn't tell, right? So I will tell NIC also. PID, process ID, NI, and a CMD. So what are the process running? I can see by using customization. Okay, this menu. You can use PS space -E, -EF, -AUX, -A, U, AU, AUX kind of stuff. Okay, but this is the customized menu. And here you can use particular things like a you can use a grep command to filter a particular process. For example, I want to see a process related to SSH. It is who are connected to SSD process like this. Okay, so like this. This is the process looking at, and kill the process is kill process ID. Okay, guys, look at here. I want to show you something. It's a process. Okay, and if you look at this nice value, the nice value you can see 0, 0, 0 like that. Okay, so nice value is 0. Here it is. You can maybe normal user works or not, I don't know. So we'll try man nice. So what is a nice? Run a program with a modified scheduling priority. Modified scheduling priority. So that is a nice. What is a nice value? It is you can run a program with a particular priority. So you can change the priority also. Okay. Nice value range from -20 to 19. So lesser the nice value, more priority. Lesser the nice value, more priority. Lesser than a nice value, more priority. So -20 plus 19. Okay, we'll take a in middle as 0. It is normal. Normal priority or no normal priority. Okay. If you take -10 or 10, okay, it is high priority. It is low priority. Like this is very high priority. This is very low priority. So remember, nice value increases. Nice value increases, the priority changes. Okay. So if people are nice to you, you give very less priority. If people are not nice, don't compulsory you give more priority. Like So like this, nice value, normal priority, low priority, high priority kind of stuff. If priority high, execute first. Higher priority, my work is high priority. You do my work first. Okay, so like that. So priority is like this. So this is the about a nice value. Okay, so when you see a nice value, when you see a process, okay, when you look at this process, what is showing here? It is, yeah. So it is showing a nice value of this one is very less. You can see some process are 19. This is minus 11. This is 11. Like this. This is a high priority than this one. Okay. Minus 20. It is very high priority. Okay. Like that. So look at here. What I am going to do is, guys, I do here. I observe from here. I need a 2 terminals to do it very easily. So this is a student. Look at for understand first. Okay, whether you can able to do it or not, that is not a thing. Okay, so we can see that. I am trying to open a process. Process name is sleep 100 ampersand. So guys, when I don't put a ampersand, what happen? The process runs on my terminal. The process is running on my terminal. So I am sleep. So process is running. So can you see by student this process is running. If you kill this process, the process will end. Okay, the process is running by student and this is the process ID. Nice value is 0. Okay, still I'm not getting any dollar kind of stuff. So when I will get my terminal like this, when I will get it, once this process is completed, once the process is completed, so then I will get back my terminal. Or if you terminate the process, I put a control C. See, the process is gone. Why? Because I terminate the process. The process is gone from the running. Okay, so this is called a foreground process. This is called a foreground process. Same process, I'm putting ampersand. I'm putting ampersand. Enter. Now process is running. Process is still running. Process is running. This process is running. But I got my terminal because the process is running in a background. See it is. You can see the process. Process is running, but it is not showing on my screen. I got my terminal. Okay. You guys understand?
Sir, one more time, sir.
Okay. So then I will ask one question before we continue. How to kill this process?
Kill command, sir.
Tell me, kill.
Seven, eight, one.
Very good. To kill the process. I kill the process. The process is terminated. So this no longer process is there. Okay. So it is terminated. Okay. It is terminated. Very good. Now again, look at here, guys. I will show you something. Hyphen capital R slash. It is searching entirely. So when it is going on my screen, right? In my terminal, the process is going on. In my terminal, the process is going on. Okay. Something like this. Hyphen R. This process is going on. So this is running in my terminal. Run my terminal. I can't put any commands now. I have to wait till the process is completed. Understand? Where my process is displaying on my terminal, right? It's going on in my terminal. Can I do any command now? Except cancelling it or stopping or a exit from it. Except that one, I can't put do anything. So my process is running. My process is completed. Running process is completed. Once it is completed, automatically it will exit. Can you see? This part is not showing now. Okay, this particular thing not showing here now. Why? Because of the process is completed. Once process completed, it will exit. This process we call it as a foreground process. Got it? Foreground process. What is the process? Foreground process. The process runs on terminal. Okay. Once process done or exits or exit, you given a control C or control Z done. One process is done. It exists. Done. It exists means it is exit from system, and our terminal will be back. Back means we can do, meaning is we can do okay. So as long as the process running, we can't do anything. As long as the process running, we can't do anything. Once it is done, yes, now I can put any command I can able to put it. Okay, so this is called a foreground process. What is foreground process? Process running on your screen. Once it is done, it exits to the terminal. Okay, so this is on screen. Okay, so important is process. Exactly, so running process goes on screen. This is very simply say foreground process. Then what is background? Background process, okay, runs. Process both side runs on background. Does not okay, shows on screen. Does not shows on screen. Okay. Exits once process is done in a background. Okay. So this is, so simply say running process shows on screen. That is a background process. Let's understand foreground process, background process. This is a nice value. Okay, I will tell one by one theory completed, then I will do practical way also. One by one we will do it. Okay, next to put to start and run any process in background means you want to start a process and run in a background. So that is your process means that command and put a ampersand. Example, keep 100 ampersand ls space hyphen capital R slash ampersand. Look at, so how I run, look at students, you look at here. So it is runs these many things on the screen, right? So what I'm going to do is, look at here. What is the last command we use? This one, right? So it is running in my screen, right? When I type enter, when I put a enter, it's running on my screen. What I'm doing is I put a ampersand. I put a ampersand. Oh, what happened? It should not show on my screen. Something done, mistake, mistake. But this time it is done very fast. It exists. It should not show like this. It is utter flap. No problem. Okay, two ways I will show you. So two things I will show you. That's for understanding. The first one is here. So because we are in a GUI mode, so then we can try. So first one is gedit, enter. Gedit will be open automatically. See, this is the process running. But can you see, when I given a command, it is not returning any terminal here. But process is running. It is a running process, but it is not terminal. When I close this one, if I close this one, again I will get back my terminal. Or if I exit from here, if I put a control C, exit from here, this will be closed. Which one you wanted? Just I'm closing this one. See it is? I got this one back. Means as long as the process running, it runs on my screen type only. It runs on my screen type. Same thing. I'm running a gedit. Gedit is open. Now in my terminal, so gedit is running in background. If gedit is running, but I'm not getting terminal back. If you look at this one, window is open. I put a control C. Now this is gone from the screen. So either you exit in your terminal or originally you are exit from that window. So also we are getting back. This is one example we are running. Same gedit, I put a ampersand. This is important. So it's ampersand means I want to run gedit in a background, not on my terminal, not on my terminal, not on my this terminal. This is the terminal. For me, this is the terminal. Okay. Now process is running. Process running. We don't mind about it. So can you see this one? And can you see? When I given this command, the process is running, but I got my terminal. So this is called a background process. That is called a background process. What is the background process? It won't run on your terminal, it runs somewhere. Okay. To put any process yourself into the background, you have to give ampersand. Okay. This is one kind of stuff. Next, how to control job controlling is how to do this control background process kind of stuff, how to check that kind of stuff, we'll see. Look at here guys. First of all, I put a command sleep 100 or 1000 This is a textbook example I'm doing. Guys, I'm opening few process like sleep 1000, sleep 2000. Sleep is a process. That's it. It's a kind of process. That's it. 1000, 2000, 3000 are as seconds. Okay, sleep process run for a 1000 second, 2000 second, 3000. So three process I run. To check it, so running jobs -z, ps space -z. So these three process are running here. Process ID, process group ID, and this is a SID something it is showing. This is sleep process. Once time completed, automatically process exists. And I give an ampersand, the process runs in the background only. Okay, to control the process, which process you are running yourself, that is command is jobs. Look at this. These jobs are running in my background. Okay, there are a process running in my background. If you want to bring any process from background to foreground, fg percentage the background process. Like I choose second process. I want to bring this process to foreground. Now the process is running in my foreground. Okay, so I have to wait till the 2000 seconds completed. The process will be completed and it will exit. Understand? The process run for a 2000 seconds, and once it is completed, it will exit automatically. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm putting control Z. So the process is stopped. I didn't exit the process, I just stopped the process. Once process stopped in a foreground, I got my terminal back. Again, I went to jobs. You can see a process is stopped. Process is stopped. If you want to run it again, bg percentage the job number. See, it is, look at, again it is running. So this is the your Red Hat textbook practical. Of course you don't understand, I know it, but I'm telling that's the process of practical. Okay, so these three commands, why we take a three, just to show you stop and running kind of stuff. Okay, next, to control the jobs, we use a command called jobs command. Okay. Very good. Guys, anything? Tell me. I will run some other command like a gedit. We can't run because of it's a normal terminal. Okay, so gedit we can run there only. Okay. Any process, just tell me some process. Okay, yeah, gedit process is done. Anything, just foreground, background kind of stuff. No one is talking. So same thing, gedit process. The process is running. The process is running. It is running in a background process. I'm checking jobs. Okay, because by root user wise it is. I'm running here. It is showing this is running process. Okay, so you want to bring it to the foreground. Okay, now it is running on my screen. Okay, if I put a Control Z, the process is stopped job. Again, check it. It is a stopped job, but original it is not closed. It is stopped only. So can you see? I can't able to do anything. Open, save. See, text editor is not responding. Okay, like this. You can't click on a save. Anything. Nothing is there. It is stopped job. Now I want to running again. BG, right? BG %1. Okay, so it is again running. It is running. If you look at here, see everything is blinking. See it is. You can able to type also. Understand, guys? Now stopped job.
Yes, sir.
Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
This is you know, the first time I tried to tell this example here, but it is working. Okay, try to it is a very small subject only, little confusion will be there. Okay, and I got so many times confusion why we are doing this only a sleep command, why not other, because Red Hat textbooks, no. Okay, so this is job controlling. Already I told about a nice, so that's why I'm telling I want to tell about a nice value also. So this is the niceness of process, which is we are already discussed. Okay. Nice. It meaning is if you're running any process, every process has a nice value. So for example, space hyphen evo user PID process ID NI and CMD, and I put a grep sleep. These are a process are running. These process are running. For example, I want to run a process with a certain priority. The nice value is 0 here. I want to run a process with a certain priority. Nice. Okay, nice. Upon n 10 sleep 1300. You can take anything. So look at this. The nice value is 10. Hyphen n represent the numerical value of it. Again, I want to run another process. Is a 1400. Is a -5, for example. Cannot set niceness, but I run the niceness, right? Okay. Why it is not running? This is a separate process. So it is taking 5 instead of -5. So its meaning is in a nice value we need a help. Yeah, hyphen n is there. This is correct. Given correct hyphen n, we add an integer to niceness. Default is 10. Default is 10. So you can give -20 to 10, 19. Okay, -19 to 20. The 9 is correct. Maybe because of I am the normal user. Here I will try 1 second, guys. Minus n, -10. Same. Sleep 1500 ampersand. Like this. Okay. It is -10. Okay. So you can run a process either background or foreground with a certain nice value. You can define your own nice value. Okay. These are the examples. So here also student. It's not showing why it is. Like this. When you look at the output, you get like this. Okay, so you can see this one and this one. So I'll remove these two things. It is running 2 times. We don't need it. Guys, this is a nice value to run a process in a particular nice value. Okay, -10 or a minus like that, you can run it. Next, renice. Renice to change nice value of a process. Okay, and also nice value of process meaning is, so it is changing priority. Okay, so guys, this is my process. For example, this is the first one, 1000 process is there now. This is my process ID. What I'm going to do is renice -n -15 to 8549. Now old priority is a 0, new priority is -15. Look at again. So the process nice value become 15. So for this one, I change my priority to 5. Renice -n 5. This particular process, right? So then it is 8553. Now new priority is 5. Okay, it is got changed. So this is a renice. This is renice. Okay, so because of it is there, so then I am putting here. Look at this renice value. Okay, earlier this process, this particular process, the nice value is 0. Now I done everything in a root only. Okay, now I change the nice value to -15, means I made that one as a higher priority. Now it is become -15. Okay, this is also not required, so unnecessary. Next, renice. What is the renice again? I change the nice value of this one. So I change the priority. It means a little lower, means 5 is a still normal priority only, but okay, normal priority, but it is lower than 0. 0 is higher, 5 is lower. 10 is lower, 5 is higher. Okay, compared to 5, 10 is lower. Compared to minus 10, minus 15 is higher. Compared to minus 10, 10 is lower. It's a priority manner. Okay, so like this, we can use nice and renice. So exactly say nice is simply, I will tell here, run sleep 1500 process with a nice minus 10. Okay, same here it is also run or a start. Okay, I'm running 1300 process. Of course, I'm running in a background only with a nice value 10 only. So we can run nice and renice the value. So all practicals based on root only. So we can do it. Guys, understand? Nice and renice.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Nice, renice, job controlling, foreground job, background job. How to bring foreground job to background job to foreground job. How to run a background job if it is stopped. To stop the process in the foreground, I use Control Z. I use Control Z to stop the process. I showed a easy example with a gedit in a GUI module. Okay. So this is the process management. You know PS management. So finally, if you want to kill the process, happily you can kill the process also like this. Okay. Kill 9206 means you terminate the process. Okay. Same thing. If you use minus 9 to 36. Now we can renice it. This is 5, right? I want to make it as a minus 5. Tell me guys, I want to change this nice value to minus 5. How to change this one? That's the only one question. How to change a nice value? Priority. Changing.
Using renice command.
Renice hyphen
N
nice value.
936.
9236. Okay. So priority is old one is 5, new one is minus 5. That's it for a renicing. Increase the means lesser the nice, more priority. Okay, last one, top command. Top command. So this is the top command, guys. Top command is live process. Live process, you can able to see it. For example, if I'm running something here, for example, I'm running cat greater double greater ff. Now it is a foreground process. It is foreground process. So you can see that that process will show in a based on process ID like that. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, this is a priority, nice value. See, 0 priority minus 20, like this. This is we don't know the CPU, memory, time, user, PID. It is done. So these processes are already terminated. Keep 100 %. I'm running a process. This process ID is this one. So is it showing here like that? If I want to kill that process from here, press K and paste the process ID. So which terminal signal you want to give? I want to give 9. Yes, I killed the process. That this 100 process, I removed it. Okay, killed. See, kill the process. So that is a top. Top is live process. Live process. You can able to see it, guys. Look at here. Okay, so this process is running. Yes. Okay, good. Run. So I am open Firefox like a background process. Okay, it will open. So it will open. So don't worry. I'm using a tab. That related process will open here. Because it consumes more. See, this is maybe this one 9961. I'm guessing. So it is running. So 9961. That's the process ID. So 9961. This is the process. You want to kill this one process, you can use it. Also, you can get it. How much memory, total memory is there? How much free memory is there? How much free memory? How much memory you are using? How much free memory available? How much swap you have? 6 GB for swap, and nothing is you are using. Using is very less swap we are using. Okay, so memory we are using better, but we are not using much about the swap. But yeah, it's we are using almost like 1 GB, more than 1 GB RAM we are using. I want to kill that process, kill the 9961, I think 62 or whatever, 9961. 9961 I'm killing, and it's asking sig term like I use 9. So I killed the process. Look at here, the Firefox is got closed. Yeah, it is duty error kind of stuff. Process is killed. So this is another command is top. How to come out? Q. Q is this. So top is a command to see the live process. Command top. Okay, lot of options are also there. You can try yours. Command top. Okay, to kill any process, and then give the PA process ID and kill signal 9 or 15. Okay, so only that thing we can implement. That's it, guys. That's about your process nice value. Anything you want to repeat related to the process management, also I will repeat it.
No, sir.
Guys, compulsory know these things. I'm keep telling, so it does not mean it is less value, it is thing. Okay. And next one is killing process ID, kill process ID, or kill -15 process ID, both for terminate process. Kill process ID with -9. It is kill process. original key process management, foreground job, background job, to keep a job into the foreground or background, run like this. Very good. So next part is I will tell AT and a cron tab. Okay. Then Linux will be finished. Then you can get relaxed.